Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20, the 50, and the 200 SMAs on NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your NinjaTrader, then go to this icon here at the top. Click on it just one time. Now go to available and scroll down until you see SMA. This one. Click on it, click on add, and go to period and type 20. Okay, I will start with the 20. Now go to SMA and you can change the color from here if you want. For me, I will keep this one. We have here width. This is for the thickness of your SMA line. So I will choose, for example, 3. Click on apply. If you like it, you can keep it. So click on OK. Now let's add the 50. Click on the same icon. Scroll down and look for SMA, this one. Click on it 2 times. Type here 50 on period. But for this one, I will change the color. Let's say, for example, this magenta. Width, I will choose 3, like the first one. Okay, now let's add the 200. Go again to SMA. This one, click on it 2 times. Go to period and type here 200. Now for this color, I will choose, let's say, black. And the width, I will make this one thicker. I will choose 5, for example. Click on OK, as you can see. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.